Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We're excited because we are downtown in the actual downtown area of Torrita di Siena today, and we are discovering so many wonderful things about it, not the least of which is right behind Pete, who's filming, is a fabulous gelateria and bar. So the apartment we're going to look at is just above it. You could just sit down for your morning coffee every morning right in the heart of Torrita di Siena. Check it out. It's a beautiful apartment, completely redone. A huge terrace above with tons of light. I love this place and I think you're gonna love it too. Okay, we're going in, and one thing I want to point out is the stairway section. You know, we've seen a lot of stairways and many of them are not well maintained. This one is absolutely beautiful. Normally I wouldn't show you the stairs because they're just stairs, but these are really, really nice and super well maintained. Let's go upstairs, we're on the first floor. Okay, we're gonna go in, but first, I love the space right outside the apartment. It's very light. You really don't even need lights in here. It's wonderful. Let's check it out. Okay, you can see we have a big foyer here. They've got such beautiful furniture. I really love the way they set this up. It's a beautiful apartment, so tastefully decorated, so you can really see how it's going to be. Now, of course, the furniture doesn't come with it. It may be negotiable in some cases, including the kitchen. Remember, the kitchen is furniture. It is not included in the price of the house, but you could negotiate it. And I would, because it's a beautiful kitchen. Come on, we're going to go through this door. I'm going to show you the kitchen and the terrace. Look at this kitchen, you guys. It's beautiful. I love how they set it up. If it were me, I would negotiate the kitchen coming with it, because it's got all of the things so tastefully set up and so tastefully chosen and created. You know, many times when you sit down and you create a kitchen with the kitchen suppliers and whatnot, but imagine if that was already done for you. Take a look. You've got a beautiful fireplace here, which I love. In wintertime, it's going to be so cozy. You've got areas for your glasses. You've got a huge column here for all kinds of things, a beautiful wine fridge, and a huge cooking and cleaning area. I love this kitchen. Okay, now here we have a little storage space and a washing area for your clothes. It's a cute space, but I wanted to point out, look at these beautiful doors. They're all brand new. I actually really love this material that they use, these colors. It's just so pretty. But check out this space. You don't have to go anywhere for your laundry. It's all right here. Okay, from the kitchen, you can actually go out onto the terrace. Now, I want to point out that there are terrace doors for both the bedrooms and the kitchen. But look at these doors and windows. They're all brand new. Now, I will tell you something, that if you were to go through an entire apartment like this, replace all the interior doors and all of the windows, that would cost a pretty euro. So you probably want to take that into consideration when you're looking for a place. And I think you should come get this one. I think it's a good value. Okay, we're outside on the terrace. It's a beautiful terrace, and you can see that the downtown area is actually very pretty. From here, I think I can see Sinagunda up on the hill, and right over the park, and my favorite shoe store is just downstairs. Okay, from the living room, we're going through this beautiful arch, and I want to show you this little corridor here, because there's plenty of room for a large armadio. I love this armadio. In fact, it's very beautiful. Unfortunately, it does not come with the house, but maybe you could negotiate it. But my point is, there's space for really good storage here. And I love the way this arch connects the bedroom and the bathroom together, and then the other bedroom and bathroom is on the other side, so you have total privacy, and so do your guests. And here we've got a gorgeous bathroom. It's really big with a very generous sized shower, which I really appreciate. And again, it's almost like an ensuite, because this is really the bedroom suite area, and there's another bedroom suite area on the other side. It's a beautiful bathroom, plenty of room, tons of light, all new windows, really nice. Okay, and here we've got the master bedroom. It's absolutely gorgeous, and again, these gorgeous doors. I don't know what these go for, but they're so pretty. I just love them. And it's very luminous, because you've got the park on that side, so you have the terrace on the outside overlooking the beautiful park. And I want to tell you that this space here is very close to the Centro Storico. So if you want to hang out in the Centro Storico all day, you can do that too. And as you can see, there is a giant armadio here in this space, and it takes up a lot of room, but you still have plenty of space in the bedroom. I personally being not an armadio person, but a closet person, sometimes you have no choice. You have to get an armadio, but I would get a massive one like this one, and you still have a very generous bedroom space. Okay, we have the other bedroom suite on this side, and it's really, really pretty. Again, you've got a gorgeous arch right there, which really is a nice touch. And the place is painted such beautifully light, fresh colors. I really, really love it. And you have accents like the stone on this particular wall here and the shelving and things like that. Super beautifully done. Now in here you have another bathroom, and it is very big. You have a nice sized tub in here. If you're a tubby person, you can enjoy the tub. I'm a shower person, I'm not a tubby person, but I would maybe be a tubby person in this bathroom. Check it out, it's gorgeous, and you have so much light coming in from the outside. Okay, here we have the little boy's room, and I gotta say, he's just adorable, this little boy that lives here. Anyway, it's all set up for him. However, if you wanted a guest room, it's plenty big for a guest room. They've got a little bed set up, they've got a desk for him to do his homework and things like that. Right there, when you open that the whole way, you have so much light coming in. So if you have a desk right there and you turn this into a study, you could have so much light, you probably wouldn't even have to put the light on anytime during the day. What a beautiful space. Okay, and I want to show you the garage because it has, it's in the area that's very secure. You drive in, you get dried off if it's raining, and then you drive into the garage here. On the other side, you have a ripostiglio, and you have a bunch of wood there for your stufa, your fireplace. So I want to show you there's a ripostiglio that's very nice. You also have a serbatore d'acqua and a garage. Look at all this room for wood. There's so much wood here. You probably could get through the entire winter and then some. Okay, here's the ripostiglio. You know, when you have an apartment and it's beautiful like it is, you need a place to store the stuff you're not using all the time. Now, this is a really big storage space. You can put your patio furniture in here. You can put anything that you're not using. It's a really, really handy space to have. Okay guys, so now you've seen this whole apartment. It's very beautiful. It's a little different than what we've been showing you. I know a lot of people think, ooh, Centro Storico is what we want, but this place is so comfortable, so close to the Centro Storico, walking distance to all of the shops and everything that you would need down here in Torrita di Siena, but it still has all of the character of this beautiful town. Check it out, let us know what you think.